To integrate Bill for Time with Payroll. Start by understanding the basics of both systems. Bill for Time is a time and billing software used to track hours worked and generate invoices, while Payroll integration allows you to automatically import hours worked into your payroll system, streamlining the payment process for employees and contractors. First, ensure you have a Bill for Time account and a payroll system that supports integration, such as QuickBooks or ADP. Log into your Bill for Time account and navigate to the Settings or Integration section, where you will find options to connect with various payroll systems. Select your payroll system from the list of available integrations and follow the prompts to authenticate the connection. You may need to enter your payroll system login credentials or authorization codes to complete the link. Once connected, map your Bill for Time users to their corresponding payroll system profiles, ensuring that each user is correctly associated with their payroll information. This step is crucial for accurate payroll processing. Next, configure the integration settings to determine how hours worked in Bill for Time are imported into your payroll system. You can typically choose the frequency of imports, such as daily or weekly, and specify which types of hours to include, such as billable or non-billable hours. To test the integration, run a sample import of hours worked from Bill for Time into your payroll system. Verify that the hours are accurately reflected in your payroll system and make any necessary adjustments to the integration settings. Best practices for Bill for Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing and updating user mappings, monitoring import logs for errors, and ensuring that all hours worked are accounted for in both systems. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently integrate Bill for Time with your payroll system, reducing administrative time and increasing accuracy in payroll processing.